Alright, what's going on? I hope that was captured. Yep, Dandy was on top of Ralph, and Ralph was going, "Eow!" Do it again, Dandy. Show the world. There's Don Knotts reincarnated. Doesn't he look like Don Knotts? Well, hello there, Andy. Barney Fife cat. Well, folks, we got one thing. I don't know crap about plumbing. Okay? So I said, I mentioned on my Facebook page that I need to take it easy but you can, because there's always something messing up around here. Here's the old sink, faucet, the bathroom faucet, and it was just leaking around here like crazy in the folks' bathroom. Went out to Lowe's and got a new one. The new one doesn't have this plunger thingy. Okay? That's the new pipe. So I didn't know that the drain pipes come out with that plunger. Okay? So we had to go back to Lowe's, get a new one. We're trying to figure out. My little brother's better at this crap than I am. Had to get new lines. And you see this new one? It doesn't have it. But you take that the faucet thingy here, and you push it down, push it up like a pop-up. It's just crazy. We had to redo the whole drain pipes. I'm no good at plumbing. Well, we're trying to find a vast assortment because we don't know what parts go underneath that sink of ours. Or ma's and pa's. Huh?
1.5 and 1.25.
1.5 and 1/4. We should have made measurements.
This 1/4 here.
1/4? Oh, plumbing's a mess. Especially if you don't know you've never done it before and don't know what you're doing. And are too cheap to hire a pro because they charge an arm and a leg. So, I don't know. This is really crazy. Pops really rigged that sink up weird. Didn't put the line directly under the sink, kind of put it weird like. Everything's weird. I don't know who's fighting. But I just missed it where they were thrashing. PaleLee, damn it. This has got to stop. Now PaleLee's being the aggressor. Damn it. This has got to stop. I don't know. I think Riley there was calling the shots. I don't know who he was fighting. I don't know. Brutal. Look at all the fur. PaleLee. This is crazy, man. It's really not funny because that's the thing that aggravates my neighbor, and I hate seeing it like this, but I'm afraid we're going to have to trap PaleLee up and do something with them. I don't know. Till next time. You know what's funny about cats? They could be loving and purring and sometimes feisty like Dandy is. He won't let me pet him. And just quiet. Quiet. A soft purr. Give me 5. Give me 5. They could just be quiet and timid. But when they encounter another outsider stray cat, they go nuts. It's a turf war. And see, there's soft, cuddly, quiet, timid Dolly. And there's Peachy. Peachy won't let me pet him. And we don't have a name for this one. Stripey, I don't know. PaleLee Jr. That's just insane. Oh, I'm pretty well beat, folks, because we just finished that damn sink. And then they run away. Then there's the ones that are feral. And there's Princess. Hi, Princess. Princess is quiet. Let you pet her. But here's the end result of all that hard work. Dun 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 dun. A nice new shiny sink, and you just barely turn this faucet with your finger, and the water comes on. Yeah, all the hard water in the past made it so difficult. And this is totally different here. You know how you pull up the close off water valve in the sink? Well, this you just push it like that. Do that, and it's like a pop-up. I don't like that because that's kind of nasty to do if you like shave or do whatever in here, and you got to put your finger in the nasty water and do that, and it drains. But I kind of like that better because sometimes these things will break off. I've had them do that in the past. But my kid brother did a wonderful job replacing all that pipe, altering it, all that. He did a hell of a job on that because I sure as hell couldn't have done it. Oh, I'm glad that's over with. Till next video. Yeah, see this Suburban? He's always going in and out of here. That green one. I don't think he lives here because I don't know. Oh, our busy street. I hate it. Have no privacy. It's never quiet. And over half of the traffic comes in and out of here is unnecessary. Go licking casually until... I'm sorry, Mom's trying to do her puzzle. Mick here usually tries to sleep. We can't help sometimes cough. And Mick is an anti-cough cat. I'll demonstrate. He didn't do it. He doesn't do it. He knows he's being recorded. It has to be random. Unexpected. Come on, Mick. Yeah. We're sorry.